Good morning, dear students. I, Vidya Sagar, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International School Hiswa. This is second video lecture on the topic in the earliest cities, chapter 4, subject history of 76. Dear students, our new topic is house, drains and streets. In this topic, we are going to discuss about that how the houses were built and the streets as well as the drainage system was there. Then we will come to know, then we will be happy that the drainage system at that time was also very well. It means the underground drainage system as well as the inspection holes was also there, so that if it could be filled up, then it could be cleaned by those inspection holes. Like generally the houses, it were of one story or the two stories, which was almost high, and there was a courtyard in mid, and all around it was rooms. Most houses that was separate bathing areas and has wells for the supply water. Many of the cities that were covered with the drains. Notice how carefully these were laid out in straight lines. You will see the picture. Then, although you cannot see that each drain has a gentle slope, that this gentle slope was given so that the water could flow easily. Okay, and very often the drains in the houses were connected to those on the streets, and smaller drains led into bigger one. Okay, it means from the houses in mid of that, the smaller drains was there, but it all drains were joined with the bigger drain. Okay, as the drains were covered, inspection hole were provided at interval to clean them. Street were also probably planned and built at this time. See how the systematic things it was done there. Now, next is life in the Harappan city. A city was Harappan city was the very busy places. Okay, the peoples there were construct the buildings in a planned way. Okay, it was their houses, their main gates was in the same way wherever they also having the drainage system as well as the streets. It was also built with the bricks. Okay, as these were probably the rulers. It is likely that rulers sent people to the distant land, and it seems that the rulers, they used to send the people to the different places to bring the precious stones and other things that they want. They may have also kept the most valuable objects also. Okay, such as ornaments, gold and silvers, beautiful beads for themselves. And there were scribes, peoples who used to know that how to write and help the prepare the seals, and perhaps wrote the other material that have not survived. See students, here the seal, the word is here. It means any of the goods who used to send from one place to another place, on over that the seal used to depicted there, and further it was inscribed, the code was inscribed there. Okay, so that the other man, when they will open it, then they could understand it, as this was made up from the clay. Okay, baked clay. So once the seal could be open, it could be broken. That's why it was the authentication of the seals. Okay, now there were also besides these, there were men and women who were busy for the craft person, making all kinds of things, like either in their own home, in the special workshop. People also traveling to distant land or returning with raw materials and perhaps storage. Many terracotta toys. See, this terracotta toy is having the very importance. Okay, This seems that the Harappans and their children they used to use these toys for themselves. Like they have, and by these terracotta toys, the childrens they used to play. So that's why these used to keep a importance place in the Harappan's life. Okay, dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.